In this video, I'll show you how to download videos using YouTube's own features, whether you want to save one of your own videos or watch another creator's video offline. Make sure you follow the complete guide because the process can be slightly different depending on whether the video belongs to you or someone else. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Start by opening YouTube on your laptop or PC. Once YouTube loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. From the menu that appears, select YouTube Studio. This will take you to your channel dashboard, where you can manage your uploaded videos, comments, analytics, and other channel settings. Once you're inside YouTube Studio, look at the menu on the left side and click on Content. You'll now see a list of all the videos you've uploaded to your channel. Find the video you want to save to your computer. You can scroll through your videos. When you find the video, move your mouse over it. Several options should appear. Click on the three-dot menu next to the video. A small menu will appear, and you should see a download option. Click on it, and YouTube will begin downloading your video. Once the download has finished, you can open the file from your browser's downloads area or go directly to your computer's downloads folder. You can then move the video to another folder, create a backup, or use it with your preferred video editing software. Now, if you want to save another creator's video for offline viewing, return to the main YouTube website and search for the video you want to watch later. For example, let's say we want to find a video on economics topic. Choose a video. Open the video, then look underneath the video for the available options. Depending on the current YouTube interface, you may see a download button directly on the page. In some cases, you may need to click the three-dot menu to find the download option. Click Download and select Video Quality. YouTube will save the video for offline viewing. To view the offline video, scroll down. Under You section, look for Download section. Here you will find all your downloads. If you don't video a video here, simply click on the three dots and select Remove Downloads. In this way, you can remove your downloaded video. And that's all. You can now download or save YouTube videos using the official options available on your laptop or PC. Thank you for watching.